वाहेगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहेगुरु जी की फतेह. This is Karmandeep Singh, a student of grade 10 in a Khan Academy, Havli, and today I am here with a new experiment, and I would say it is the easiest experiment I have ever seen. So let's begin. The material required in this experiment is very little and is also available during the lockdown. The first thing we need is a glass of water. The second thing required is a lemon, and the third one is some salt. Then we require 2 spoons, and that's all. So the first thing we need to do is just take the lemon and drop it into the water. What do we observe? The lemon sinks into the water. Why does this happen? Let's find the answer. So the reason behind this is relative density. What is relative density? Before you know about relative density, you must know what exactly the density of a substance is. The density of a substance is its mass per unit volume. For example, this spoon occupies some space, so it has volume as well as it has some mass. Yeah. So we will take, suppose, this much portion of spoon, say 1 centimeter cube, and it would have some mass. So that is known as the density of that spoon. So now what is the relative density? Relative density is the density of substance as compared to that of water, or simply the ratio of density of a substance to that of water. So now we'll take out the lemon. And we will be adding some salt into the water. I will tell you the reason after adding it. Now mix it well so that the entire salt dissolves into the water. Take out the spoon and again do the same thing. Drop the lemon into the water, into the salty water. But do we observe? The lemon comes up and floats. You can see here. The lemon is floating. So why does this happen? So when we added salt to water, the density of water increased and became equal to or larger than that of the lemon. So the simple theory is that a substance which has density less than that of water will float over its surface, and a substance which has density more than that of water will sink into it. So this was the entire concept of relative density, and I hope you will be trying this at your home too. Till then, safe, stay at home. वाहेगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहेगुरु जी की